Magician doesn't reveal his tricks.
Exactly. Falls Trail, there we go.
Okay, now
It says no car, no dogs. It's insane.
Yeah, I know. So we have. You're like, you have to wear.
Alejandro. Did people ever sing that song to you?
Yeah, all the time. Every single person, everybody knows that.
I'm so sorry.
Wait, what is that song?
From Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga.
Oh yeah. Wait, I think we played it once. Where it starts burning.
Dude, it's funny because like they'll like sing it and they'll ask like, do people ever sing that song? And there's always yes. Everybody does.
That's funny.
It's okay though.
Okay, I want to. I got it out of my system, so I'm good. I love that there's water though. Is it cold? Try it. Okay. Yeah, I'm like trying to not fall and enjoy the view at the same time. Sorry guys, we gotta stop and appreciate the view sometimes.
That's what hike is about.
Yeah, it's not just A to B.
Yeah, it's not just A to B.
It's everything in between. Oh no. Aren't there... What is he doing?
Yeah, photography and all these.
You have a little GoPro?
Yeah, I have a little GoPro.
Is it recording?
Yeah, right now.
Hi!
I just want to go, woo!
Go ahead.
Woo! Sorry, I really... Woo!
Where?
Down there. Bear and bear cub right down there.
Oh my god, I see it.
Oh,
Right
wow.
at the tree line. Right there.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, there's a bear cub too.
It doesn't look like. Is it a black bear?
No. Black bears aren't always actually black.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like black bear's the breed, but they can be brown.
That's amazing.
Yeah, that one's the size of a black bear for sure.
Look at that.
Damn,
Great
what
quality,
the
but-
fuck?
Wait, can I see it?
Like, that's insane.